Okay, to finish our 16-1 work together, we just have a little bit left here at the bottom. We need to record our other revenue, and the only other revenue we have is interest income. And if you look in your adjusted trial balance, you will find the amount for that. The amount for our interest income, $466.20. We'll also do a percentage for that. If you calculate your percentage, $466.20, divide that by the amount of your net sales, which was $501,425.59. This is only going to be 0.1%. Now let me adjust this here. There we go. Now to calculate our net income before federal income tax, we will need to draw another single line. And we will take our income from operations, $92,562.29, and we will add our interest income because it's income. It is increasing our net income. So if we add those two numbers together, we will get $93,028.49. We will once again do another component percentage for this, and this will be 18.6. Then we need our less federal income tax expense. If you look in your adjusted trial balance, you will see that our federal income tax expense was $19,879.69. We'll need a component percentage there too as well. If you divide, that will be 4.0. And our last number we need to calculate will be our net income after federal income tax. So we'll take our net income, subtract, because less means to subtract, the federal income tax expense, and that will be $73,148.80. Component percentage, we have to calculate that again. That's 14.6. Now, when you are all the way done, we will need to go ahead and draw double rules across to show that the income statement is complete. We're going to do it across all four columns, not the component percentage column, but the rest of the columns here. And then it is finished.